Welcome back to Mr. C's e-bike, and today I've got another package. It's a GOEHNER's 4-bike storage rack. It's $120. It'll hold up to 240 pounds, and when it's assembled it's 85 inches tall. So let's get this box opened and alright, this is the same brand as my bike rack and comes from the same store, and I'm going to put the link to the store down below. It's a nice color blue too. Comes packed up nice. Nothing's all scratched up. And this will be a nice unit for somebody who lives in an apartment building or has a smaller garage and a family with bicycles. It'll make room in your garage so you can put your bicycles and your car in there. Now, first let's get all the bubble wrap off. And before I get going, if you'll look at the end of that, it's got numbers on it, and that's so if your floor isn't even, you can turn these and adjust the height of just one side or one of the four corners to even it up. This part. Like, it's a lot of bubble wrap to get off. I'm gonna cut some of this out. Nobody wants to see me unwrap all these parts for 20 minutes. All right, this time I cheated and read ahead a little bit. You're gonna need a 1/2-inch drive, socket, wrench. They give you the tools to put it together, but I prefer to use my own because my tools are much better than theirs. But 1/2-inch, maybe a 13mm. And then a 6mm Allen wrench. I believe that's all you need. And I also went ahead and separated all the bars. The bottom bars are the ones with 2 holes in it, and then the open top with 1 hole. And the top bars are the ones with the pin in it, 1 hole at the top, and a cap. And the top piece is the one with their name on it. That. And the bottom piece is nameless and has 2 holes. And what you got to do to get the bottom together, yeah, that's towards the bottom. You want to put your bottom together first, which I didn't leave myself enough room. Pieces and parts. There. Alright. Hopefully you can see that. It's starting to come together. It's the centerpiece, the 2 legs. So you can put the bar in it. And it's pretty easy. I mean, you just have the same size nuts and bolts all the way around. And I would assume you put this facing out. I don't think it really matters. It just depends on if you're going to want to adjust the height, which I don't remember it saying it was height adjustable. But don't put these too tight. Just put them all in finger tight. Because if one hole's a little bit off, you won't be able to jimmy it around to get the bolt in. And when you're done, that's what you end up with. If you couldn't see it from the further away camera, that camera right there. Alright, now you run through, tighten these all up. Hopefully I can get on there. I know this is a little bit loud, but it's a lot nicer than my pneumatic gun. Right, now we can set this aside. I take the top piece with the name on it, the bars with the cap, and keep your button facing out or in. I don't think it really matters. Just depends on if you're going to want to reach on the inside or the outside. I would prefer to grab it both sides at the same time and push in. And I think that would be easier on the outside. And if you're going to use a little impact with this, you might want a wobbly socket, because it barely reaches in there, and I'm probably putting a few scratches on it. Or not getting it very tight. Alright, now it's self-explanatory. I think you just push the bars in, push the little silver piece so it'll line up. Alright, you put your top together. These things actually are pretty neat. These are actually pretty neat. This is all nice soft rubber. This side's just kind of a weird looking hook. You bring it down, you put, I don't know if you can see it, you put it on like that, bring this around the other side, and you got a hook. Of course they're going to be going this way. It's nice and easy, really adjustable. It's get them at the same height. All right, now to get some bikes on here. Well, the only problem I got now is I don't have enough bikes to fill this up, so I'm only really going to use 2 hooks. Well, 4 hooks, but 2 for each bike. And it's going to take a minute to figure these out. Just because it's kind of like one of those Chinese puzzles. Alright, now that I've made myself some room, put the light bike up on top because that just makes sense. No problems. I mean, now if you have this someplace where there's going to be kids running around, or maybe a kid's going to want to climb on their own bike that's on it, I would make sure to attach it to the ceiling so it doesn't fall over. But I mean, it's got no problem. It's only got one bike on it, so the weight isn't distributed, and it's on pretty uneven ground, so I'm kind of impressed. Now for the bike I hate picking up. It's the H8. It's 80 something pounds. It's just too heavy to carry around. Now look at that. This is actually nicer than I thought it was going to be. I mean, it's got a nice weight, it's got some heft to it, so it feels like it's sturdy, but it's not too heavy to pick up and carry around your garage. And it's really sturdy once you get the bikes on it. I mean, I'm impressed. You can move it around, but at no point to it does it feel like it's going to fall over. Wow. It seems that I've lost some of my footage for the GOEHNER's 4-bike rack, and so I got to film my outro as I'm sitting here editing the video. That really impressed me. It's a good, nice, heavy-duty rack. And that for $120, that's awesome. So I'll leave the links down below for the rack and the store that sells the rack along with some other products. So go check them out. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down below. Thank you.